Now, ladies, if you like this man, you're going to need to show him, because these men are tired of the games just like we are. The same way you are dating and you're trying to see who he is, and is he on my list, and check it, check, and what does he stand for, and is he a good husband, a friend, a provider, loving, is he a good communicator, does he have emotional intelligence, all of those things on your list, right? They have that on their list too. This man is trying to vet you the same way that you're trying to vet him. And if you won't reciprocate now, in his mind, that's a lost cause. Because if you won't do it while we're dating, why would you do it when I put a ring on your finger? That man is trying to see, do you fit into his life? Are you a good wife? Are you a helpmate? Will you pray with him? Will you be there for him? Will you honor him? Will you stand? Will you cook? Whatever that is that's on his list. He's trying to see if you are that. And you sitting here playing games and talking about what you can't do because that's wifely duties. If you're a wife, you need to reveal that to that man. You need to let him see who you are and how you operate. Because otherwise, you're going to lose him, because he doesn't want to play games. These men are tired of games just like we are, because women are playing games just like men are. You cannot expect to get something real when you're not showing up authentically. Playing these games, you're going to have to do something real to get something real. So be yourself, be true. And if you like that man, let that man know. You're going to have to be vulnerable and put yourself out there if you're really trying to get something true. So ladies, cut it out with all these games. If you like him, you like him. Show him. You can do nice things for him if you really like him. It's okay. Hopefully, and it should be, that he is willing to reciprocate as well. Show each other that you're a good match for each other. Don't be playing all these games.